The veterinary doctors, their demand is 80 lakhs per candidate. One of the candidate happens to be chairman's relative, who was allowed to tamper the OMR sheets. And also, my lord, the allegation discloses that some of the candidates were taken outside Karnataka and they were trained with the question papers and answers.
No, this is daylight fraud, sir.
No, allegation is that the obtained 400 marks.
How, sir? Without the connivance of the officials in the
Correct.
Kpsc, how can any candidate get 400
Correct,
marks?
That is the allegation.
Every selection, right from 1998, there has been a controversy in Kpsc. No, stay the investigation till I decide on whether CBI should do it or CID should do it.
Not be correct, my lord.
Oh, yes, sir.
Lord, this is another case where, my lord, the Kpsc chairman has been
Kpsc chairman?
chairman and the others, not, they have been registered on my complaint as accused number 1 to 29. Lord, my complaint is at annexure A, page 24. Lord, this I have sought for transfer to the CBI. One of the candidate happens to be chairman's relative, who was allowed to tamper the OMR sheets and given.
Tampering of OMR sheets?
And also, my lord, the allegation discloses that some of the candidates were taken outside Karnataka and they were trained with the question papers and answers. They are brought back.
Istond fraud agidya?
My lord, yes, ma'am. And the veterinary doctors, their demand is 80 lakhs per candidate. 40 lakhs I have to pay when they take me to the out of state for training. Then they collect the original marks card from me. Then, my lords, after a read exam.
Modus operandi ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದಿರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Complaint ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
My lord, modus operandi ಹೇಳಿದೇನೆ. I have extracted in my
matter which your lordship was pleased to consider. Medical PGC team, lord, that CBI investigated.
ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ?
More or less looks like, lord.
ಓ ಅದೇ ತರ.
Page 7, para 3.
ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ training ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ. That your lordship
Page
was
7, para 3, my lord, I have narrated the extract.
ಇದನ್ನೇನು CID ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರ ಆಗ್ಲೇ?
My lord, this I think they have given it to CID. Lord, I don't have the document. Page 40, my lord, Honorable Home Minister has tweeted. This is a source of information for us.
ಏನಂತ?
That two cases, page 40 and extra my lord. In the interest of ensuring fair and impartial comprehensive investigation, two cases registered at Vidhan
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದಲ್ಲೇ ಮುಗಿದೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಳಿಸೋದೇ
ಏನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Therefore, my lords, in the connected matter, I had expressed apprehension that other day that they are going to do this.
In the petition itself says, he relies on CID investigated documents.
No, then thereafter they were buried. So therefore now we want CBI to take over.
I think if this is the modus operandi, ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ CBI ನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ.
CBI had investigated and ultimately your lordship's order not been affirmed by the apex court also. All the orders.
Who was the complainant here?
My lord, the complainant is a doctor, veterinary doctor.
ಅಲ್ಲ, who participated in the selection process?
Successful candidate. And I have given the list of candidates, my lord, who.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, successful, unsuccessful, ನೀವು veterinary doctors ಆ? And who is the person who complained there, who was unsuccessful veterinary doctor?
There is a petitioner. Petitioner herein.
You are unsuccessful. Successful candidate here.
He is at serial number.
ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ yes.
Kiran Gowda.
He is a petitioner.
Serial number
9 in the list of accused. So far as
4 is made as unfairly selected 29 candidates.
We will pass an order now. Not directly, but I want to hear you on this. Let not the investigation continue with the CID.
The only issue, my lord, there are maybe CCTV and all other things.
Sorry?
There are other CCTV materials and all other things. May have to
Ella
be investigated.
hand over everything.
No, but
I will pass an order.
if lordship staying investigation, my lord.
No, stay the investigation till I decide on whether CBI should do it or CID should do it.
May not be correct, my lord.
Oh, yes, sir.
There's a lot of investigation.
Test it, sir. I will pass an order. Test
No,
it.
I'm not saying that
Yes.
your lordship will not pass an order, but I'm saying that may not be correct. Let the investigation go on.
No.
No, I'm not asking much time. I'm only asking.
No. Now, new objection haki, I will take it on Wednesday.
Agbodu.
By Wednesday, whatever you want to say, you say. But all this material, investigation, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ material ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗಿರೋದು? FIR ಆಗಿರೋದು?
Came to be lodged on 25/7/2026.
25/7/2025.
This is, today we are on 28, 3 days.
I will give you a week's time. Whatever you want to produce, you produce. All right? Yes.
Your lordship, the complaint says 25/7. The FIR says, FIR is registered on 24/7.
That may be a problem.
No,
That's all
that
right.
issue, my lord, that I believe it is done on a online this thing. It depends on what time it. That's
That's
not
all right. That we'll consider. But what is this? If what they are saying is correct,
No, my lordship may
Oh,
see.
this is
No,
daylight
I
fraud,
understand.
sir.
No, we are investigate, we are bound to investigate, my lord. I'm not saying we will shy away from investigation. Your lordship can call any report. We will produce all the report. We are not shying away. Your lordship may record my submission. We are not shying away. Your lordship can monitor also. We will not shy away. But the fact, my lord, earlier in the past, we have CID has investigated as high rank officer of the ADGP level officer.
What happened, sir? What is the outcome?
He was in jail for whatever trial is ongoing, my lord.
The same
We have also
investigation,
investigated-
VGT though.
We
previous
have also
chairman got
investigated,
acquitted.
I'm sorry, we have also
Very
investigated the high, Lokayukta, my lord. It's not that we have not been investigated. We have been investigated and we have been successful also. It's not, we
We'll
are
see,
not.
we'll see.
Lord,
Yes.
only one submission. What they have done in Valmiki, my lords, we are the petitioners there. I know, my lords, what kind of reports are filed by CID. So later, my lords, this
So we'll
repairing.
wait, I am today not passing any order. I'm only recording the facts and asking the SPP to respond. The petitioner is said to be the writ petition 23448 of 2026. The petitioner is said to be the complainant who has registered a crime in crime number 89 of 2026. The petitioner is an unsuccessful candidate for the post of ಏನಿದು
Medical.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನದು
Veterinary
ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಏನೋ ಇದೆ
Veterinary doctor.
Veterinary officers.
ನೋಡ್ ರಿಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ?
My lord,
Veterinary doctor.
veterinary.
ವೆಟರ್ನರಿ
Veterinary
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್
officer,
ಅಲ್ಲ.
group A, my lord. I'm sorry.
Huh?
Veterinary officer, group A.
To the veterinary officer group A. The complaint comes to be registered on 25/7/2025, 2026 on the score that there is large scale malpractice in the selection of the veterinary doctors. The narration in the complaint is that huge the charges of huge corruption in the selection of the said veterinary doctors. The complaint is in great detail and also narrates all those persons who have been selected and the manner in which they are selected. The gist of the complaint is as follows, page 29-30. It transpires that the state government has handed over the said selection process and the said selection process tainted by corrupt practices to the crime investigation department. After which the petitioners have preferred the subject petition on the score that in the past, the crime investigation department has done very less to bring home the guilt or the guilty, bring home the guilt of the guilty or bringing the guilty to the books. The learned counsel would submit that if the matter is permitted to be investigated by the crime investigation department of the state government - the CID, nothing would come about in the light of the large scale corruption, alleged corruption in the selection of veterinary doctors. Therefore, their demand is for transfer of the entire investigation in the said crime or any other crime relating to the selection of the veterinary doctors to the hands of the Central Bureau of Investigation, the CBI. Therefore, the CBI is also made a party to these proceedings. The learned SPP therefore shall respond as to why the matter should not be entrusted to, the investigation in the matter should not be entrusted to the Central Bureau of Investigation owing to the practice in the past as is alleged by the learned counsel appearing for the petitioners. The objection or the submissions be made by Friday the next. The investigation papers that have the papers of investigation conducted or that is to be conducted by till the next date be placed before the court on the next date.
Your Lordship, in the criminal petition that I have filed, in the complaint, there is no allegation against any of the only allegation is that they have scored above 400.
No, that will see that in so far as the other petition is concerned, madam, I know the serial number
7.
Serial number 7. ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Take notice, my lord.
learned ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ learned HCGP is directed to accept notice for the respondent. The SPP shall respond to the allegations, respond to the complaint that is made, which has become the fulcrum of the crime in crime number so and so. Crime number
89, same
Same,
affair, same affair.
crime number 89. Yes, list on next Friday.
Your Lordship, at least no coercive action will be taken against
No coercive action, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ arrest ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ ಯಾಕೆ? No coercive action shall be taken against the petitioners in the said petition till the next date.
petition.
ಒಂದೇನಾ ಒಬ್ರೇನಾ?
ಒಬ್ರೇ ಬಂದಿರೋದು.
ಸರಿ.
My lord, in serial number 31,
Seems to be.
the last date of hearing, my lord, was pleased to pose a question about the authenticity of the salary of chairman. I am placing on record the notification of KPSC,
ಹಾ,
page number 5.
ಕೊಡಿ.
It is not 2 lakhs, it is 4 lakhs per.
Per month?
No, that the petitioner
per
himself
month.
accepted in.
48 ಲಕ್ಷ.
The petitioner himself has accepted in connected matter.
Page number 5.
Day before
ಓ
yesterday.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
40,000.
ಅವರೇ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು.
He himself.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರು.
In fact, he said more. He said 30 lakhs rupees.
It is 4 lakhs 3,000 per month.
ಪರ್ ಮಂತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 48 lakhs ಆಯ್ತು.
Page number 5, there's a list of.
No, it can't be 4 lakhs. It can't be 4 lakhs. ಅದು perks ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿರುತ್ತೆ.
No.
Basic is 2,17,000 only. 30 lakhs.
No, allegation is that the obtained 400 marks by other means.
How, sir?
That's his complaint
How,
itself.
sir?
The complaint.
Without the connivance of the officials in the
Correct,
KPSC, how can any candidate get 400 marks?
That is the allegation.
If that is the allegation, tackle them. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ accuse ಮಾಡಿ, you student ನ ತಗೊಂಡು. They are beneficiaries, they will face the music. I am not saying that. But how are the officials being tackled? That I want to monitor. This is not the way you can do it. Because every selection, right from 1998, there has been a controversy in KPSC. 1998 ವರೆಗೂ it was fine. ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು 98 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಇವತ್ತವರೆಗೂ ಮುಗ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
That's correct, my lord. In fact, my lord, not to say anything about CID, my lord. And the entire police recruitment scam happened. RD
Yes.
Patil is the person. CID is the person who detected, arrested.
No, I'm not painting anybody black or any investigative agency black. But the thing is, in a scam of this magnitude, why PGCET was given to CBI, tell me?
That is naive.
That is what, I have dealt with that. I have affirmed those orders, Supreme Court has confirmed
Must
it.
confirm all your lordships.
Yes.
No, I'm not on that part. I'm only saying that it's also, my lord, casting allegation on the state investigation agency.
I am not doing
That's
that. I am not doing, see, investigation in a particular scam, even to the eyes of the general public, should be non-partisan. It cannot be lopsided. An investigating agency of the state doing this may not sometimes yield that result. We'll see. Yes.
As the hearing progressed, the High Court examined serious allegations surrounding the KPSC veterinary doctors' recruitment process. The petitioners alleged that the recruitment was tainted by tampering of OMR sheets, leaked question papers, and the collection of large sums of money from candidates in exchange for government jobs. They urged the court to transfer the investigation to the CBI, arguing that only an independent agency could conduct a fair probe. During the proceedings, the court observed that KPSC has faced repeated recruitment controversies over the years and questioned whether investigation of such magnitude should continue with the state authorities. The bench also sought clarification on certain aspects of the case, including issues relating to the KPSC chairman. To take the matter forward, the court directed the SPP to explain why the investigation should not be transferred to the CBI and ordered the production of investigation records. Until the next hearing, the court directed that no coercive action be taken against the petitioners.